For life sciences organizations, balancing regulatory requirements, security, and existing infrastructure with the agility, innovation, and cost savings of the cloud is mission critical. But these goals are made simple and flexible with OpenText Content Cloud for life sciences. It uses a modern cloud architecture to provide the industry's most mature and proven OpenText Documentum for life sciences solutions in a secure cloud environment that is quick to deploy and easy to upgrade. Get up and running quickly. Quick provisioning and startup services are done by technology experts, meaning fast time to productivity. Annual upgrades ensure the latest features and innovations are available. Subscription pricing provides predictable operating costs and includes software fees, infrastructure, startup services, validation support, and upgrades. And the pre-validated environment for every upgrade provides GxP compliance for health authority audits readiness. Included in the cloud offering is Life Sciences Smart View, a modern UI for all the life sciences modules, providing role-based access to manage information and tasks. Secure cloud access for employees and partners means easy access for desktop and mobile devices. Single-tenant architecture provides freedom of choice to configure and integrate with unique needs and infrastructure. Annual upgrades are not forced. They're coordinated and scheduled to match business timelines. SaaS structure allows the easy addition of new users or modules for maximum agility. Proven business value from a unified set of mature products delivered with the simplicity and flexibility of a SaaS cloud is the best of both worlds. Accelerate clinical trials, speed submissions to health authorities, and control quality and manufacturing documents while improving cloud capabilities with OpenText Content Cloud for life sciences.